This is Andy with Quality Stocks. Today's Friday, May 7th, 2010, and we're going to be taking a look at American Sierra Gold Corporation. It's a NASDAQ bulletin board stock traded under the ticker AMNP. AMNP is a chart that's, I think, very interesting. It's at a make or break point right now, in my opinion. Let me explain why. Over the last 4 months, we're seeing a pretty nice uptrend in several of the indicators. You know, MACD, PPO, PPO ADX pinch coming around. This is what you call a second ascending pinch. It's not as tight, but you like to see that PPO trending towards zero. It's often leads to good things. MFIs, you know, trending up here a little bit, all pointing north right now. Accumulation distribution still trending up. Jake and money flow back in the green. CCI is about negative 225, making its turn, coming back heading towards negative 100. Full still heading north. Tricks in a bit of an uptrend over this last month, broke the downtrend that it was in. The reason I say it's at a make or break point, why this chart's interesting to me, is you can see it almost looks like the Tricks is trying to float down, and it's the same way with the PPO and MACD. The histogram tells you that like for the fast lines coming down right now, it almost feels like it wants to try and float this way, but it's in a nice uptrend. So what we want to see is this break that little area where it just gives that feel of trying to turn down. We want to see this turn back up. So you can see that the RSIs have had a difficult time breaking through 50, been in a nice sideways channel for the last month and a half. I'm not sure about the bid and ask on AMNP. If this is something where the bid is at 25 and the ask is at 30, or why this, because it's last few days down to 25, 26, right back up. Down to 26, right back up. 26, right back up. Actually, low 25 yesterday, right back up. So I'm not sure if that is what's going on with the bid and ask. But what this needs to do is break through that 31. It really needs to fall. If we want to continue these uptrends, and this can turn into a very nice looking chart then, because if you get the MACD breaking through zero again, it's just a stronger chart for an overall of possibly found a true bottom. So we want to see it break through there. What I really want to see it do is challenge that area, the 36 area. If it does that, it's challenging the 50-day moving average. All the other moving averages should be under at that point. We'd hope that, you see here, it's about a 75% move it made last time it started to make a rise. It actually ran through the 50-day there and couldn't hold, but we want to see it come up and challenge it again and try and hold. You can see that the 50-day is kind of flattening out. So if this is going to find a true bottom, it'll start to turn right with it over the next few weeks. So it's something that I want to see happen with AMNP. Plus, the RSIs then will break through 50. Everything will continue that stronger uptrend and strengthen it. We also want to see, it's only a 6-month chart, but it'll come out and challenge that trend line too eventually. Try and break. These are the things you want to see fall. It's a chart that's in a position to try and make this move. Now, whether it does or not, is obviously undeterminable. But you look for trying to find the advantage of a chart of, okay, maybe this one found a bottom. And AMNP is in that position where it's trying hard to find a bottom. So let's see if it can make the turn. This is Andy with Quality Stocks. Take a look at AMNP.